What's good, my people? It's Mr. Investor here, and I'm trying to change my life through stocks. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. What is a growth stock? A growth stock is any share that is predicted to rise faster than the average market, essentially growing your money. These stocks generally do not pay dividends because they reinvest into their company's growth. This makes them grow even faster. When investors invest in growth stocks, they anticipate that they're gonna earn through capital gain. So when the share goes up and they sell, they make money. Growth stocks look expensive because they trade at a higher PE ratio, but the valuations can actually be cheap if the company continues to grow rapidly. So the earnings may not be present now, but in the future they can be expected to have high earnings. So a growth stock can have patents or technology that puts them ahead of other competitors within their industry. They usually reinvest in their products to stay ahead of the game and innovate. A great example of a growth stock is Amazon. In 2020, it's one of the largest companies in the world. Because of Amazon's patterns of innovation, they have a very loyal customer base. Prime! And a significant amount of market share within the online retail industry.
Hello, ma'am, your dildo's here.
Oh, honey.
Yeah. So that's growth stock summed up. If you'd like more videos like this, please hit the like, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Drop me some comments. Mr. Investor over and out.